So what happens when the world's most powerful chip maker decides to pour $100 billion into the most famous AI lab on the planet? Could this deal create an unstoppable AI empire, or maybe trigger the biggest antitrust battle in tech history? And most importantly, how will Nvidia's massive bet on OpenAI reshape the future of artificial intelligence, the stock market, and even global power? You're watching Scop AI wherever you are in the world. If you want sharp insights into AI, tech stocks, and the future of innovation, just hit that subscribe button right now. Let's dive in. Nvidia announced it will invest up to $100 billion in OpenAI, which is honestly one of the largest corporate partnerships in tech history. This isn't just a financial deal. Nvidia will supply OpenAI with advanced data center chips, powering the next wave of AI breakthroughs. The partnership involves non-voting shares plus chip purchases. Essentially, Nvidia is funding OpenAI, and in return, OpenAI buys Nvidia's cutting-edge GPUs. CEO Sam Altman called compute power the basis for the economy of the future. And now, OpenAI plans to deploy at least 10 gigawatts of Nvidia systems, equal to the electricity needs of 8 million US homes. OpenAI was recently valued at $500 billion, and this partnership could cement it as the global leader in AI software. For Nvidia, the deal locks in a customer that is already its biggest driver of growth. Nvidia's stock jumped over 4% after the announcement. But here's the bigger picture. This isn't just about chips. It's about controlling the future of AI infrastructure. With Microsoft, Oracle, and SoftBank all tied into AI data centers, Nvidia is essentially placing itself at the center of a multi-trillion-dollar AI ecosystem. So, analysts have raised some interesting concerns here. Nvidia invests in OpenAI, and then, well, OpenAI turns around and uses that money to buy more Nvidia chips. Is this just a smart business loop, or maybe a potential red flag for regulators? Antitrust lawyers are saying this kind of deal could really lock in Nvidia's monopoly on AI hardware, while OpenAI keeps its dominance in AI software. And if competitors like AMD, Google, or Amazon can't scale up fast enough, we might be looking at a world with just two big players, Nvidia chips and OpenAI models. So, OpenAI has actually been working on custom AI chips with Broadcom and TSMC, hoping to, reduce their reliance on Nvidia. And it's not just them. Microsoft, Amazon, and Google are also designing their own AI accelerators. But here's the thing. Nvidia's new deal might slow all those efforts, since OpenAI now has guaranteed access to Nvidia's most advanced chips, like the upcoming Vera Rubin platform, which is set to launch in 2026. If Rubin really delivers on its promises, Nvidia could end up extending its lead for years to come. The scale of this investment could definitely attract US government scrutiny. Regulators are starting to worry about Nvidia, Microsoft, and OpenAI controlling too much of the AI market. But under the current Trump administration, antitrust enforcement has been more business-friendly compared to what we saw during Biden's presidency. And globally, this deal sends a pretty clear message. The United States is doubling down on AI leadership, while China and other nations are racing to catch up. So, this isn't just some corporate story, it's actually a geopolitical battle for technological dominance. If this partnership works out, it could honestly create a new AI superpower, blending Nvidia's unmatched hardware with OpenAI's cutting-edge models. But if regulators step in, or if competitors manage to catch up, this $100 billion bet could hit some major roadblocks. For investors, one thing is clear. Nvidia isn't just a chip company anymore. It's becoming the backbone of the AI economy. The real question is, will this bet pay off, or could it backfire? So, what do you think? Will Nvidia and OpenAI's partnership dominate AI for the next decade? Or will regulators and rivals end up breaking their grip? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more deep dive analysis.